Here's Calvin, and I'm going to show you around this stage of Legos that I'm about to shoot with Nerf guns. So, I want you to show me a video of you shooting this down. Right there, see? At the bottom. That's what you do. First, you get 2 bricks. 5 of them. Then you just round up. Then you should have a cover on it, right? The blue thing. Should have that on it. Then put any Lego person on inside it. It should be a hole. Looks like that. Clip them on. And here's what I did. 3 doors. More Lego people. And I'm gonna shoot it down. And JK is gonna film me. Show him and shoot it. So, hey, this is Eli. I want to see your video to try to make an awesome Lego course and try to. Calvin, alright. Calvin. Here, Calvin goes. Shoot. Got the tower down. And he hit the tower. Let's see. He got the tower. Ooh, and he shot a Nerf piece. Try to shoot all the people down. Ooh, and he shot one of the doors. Try to get all the people down. He's still going. Last bullet. Okay, I'm really at this. Okay. Are we doing it again? Yeah, I'll try one again. Okay. Ooh, and he shot Mike down. 1 point. Man, that shield right there is hard. I'm trying to build a wall like there. Okay, well, just show me your video. Yeah. Calvin JK.